Why? You don't want to be filmed
Oh,
for
you
it?
on YouTube? Oh, what's happening?
Uncle Tony, you silly.
I'm cool, YouTube. But it's kind of chill. Hey, y'all. But
So you gotta go wash the car.
I'm gonna wash the car. Go to the bank. I might take them to the pool. It's kind of chilly and windy. I don't know. And then I'm going to the gym at about 3. I didn't take them with me, but that junk is hot.
You gotta go potty? Oh yeah, she really gotta go potty.
Yeah. The gym is hot and sweaty and stinky, so I don't know if they can hang.
You can bring them back. At least I get 20 minutes to myself. Zuzu, come in the house. Zuzu, why are you making this difficult? This floor needs to be swept. It look like little children and dogs have been on my floor. What do you think, young lady? What do you think? Hmm? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm not gonna chat much throughout this video. I'm kind of just gonna let you guys vibe and clean along with me, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you subscribe to like all of them. Hit that bell that says always on the drop down menu, not just like often. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I love you. All this stuff needs to be dealt with ASAP. So all this stuff needs to go to Goodwill. I am using these. I think I need to bring up a third one. I do think I need to bring up a third one. for the shower. These need to go in my trunk. I was actually just folding this one back down because they fold so neatly to go in my trunk. And that's what I am currently doing. I'm about to, what do you want? What do you want, Stinky Stinky? Look at this. What do you want, Stinky Stinky? Get the stool. Yes, it does work. This is the kids' bookshelf, and as you can see at the top underneath the rhino, they kind of just jammed all that stuff in there and did not put it back the way that they found it. But I am planning to make a trip to the Container Store, and I am planning to redesign my office, so be on the lookout for those videos. have no idea which child it was, but a pencil in my washer. A dadgum pencil. It was almost 7 o'clock and I still wasn't done, but I want to thank you guys for cleaning along with me, and I hope you have a fantastic day.